Alright, so for this recording, I'm going to show you guys how to assign a macro to a button. This can be very helpful if it's a repetitive task or you need quick access to it instead of having to use your keyboard shortcut, or you might even just run out of keys for your keyboard shortcut because you only have a limited amount. So that's when a button comes in handy. So what we're going to do is record a simple macro real quick. So go to your developer tab, and under developer we'll record our macro. We'll call this one test1. And we'll go ahead and make a quick shortcut key. And so you can tell that we are now recording our macro. So our stop recording is showing. So we'll come down here and we'll do a simple message. If I could type. And we'll go ahead and end it there. I'll go ahead and delete that. So if we go to our macros, we could see that we do have our test1 macro, which is the one we just recorded. So I can run that and it shows up right there, and I can also do our keyboard shortcut, which is Option Command K, and it did run the program right there. So what I'm going to show you now is how to assign it a button. So underneath the developer tab to the right of the record your macro, you're going to see a button. And so if you click on the button and click anywhere in your worksheet, it's going to give you the option to assign that button a macro. And so since we only have one macro, that makes it really easy for us. So we're going to assign it to test1 and hit OK. And we can go ahead and rename this to test1 so that we know what test that the button is running. And so once we click off, we now have our button ready. And when we click on it, our program should run. So I'm going to click on it in 3, 2, 1. There we go. And you see that our program runs just like that. So this is a really cool thing that you can do to expedite your macro, and you can avoid using the keyboard shortcuts or other shortcuts up here in the toolbar. So I hope this helps. Have a nice day.